Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a mountain gray. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke blacked out wheels. Tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, our liftgate, a set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, an LED logo that appears when you open the door, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, this one does come with the convenience package, which is going to give you a garage door opener. Also, this one has smartphone integration, which is going to give you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 5,424 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmannimports.com.